my bike is not working. Actually, my bike's battery is not working, so self start is not working now. So I feel like, what should I do? I think now I should change my bike's battery. My bike's start turn off again. It is very risky on the road. It is not working again and again. Now I have started my bike again, and now I am going to my house. A while ago I saw some policemen on the road, but why? 2 days ago election happened in Bangladesh. I feel like for that reason policemen are on the road, and a lot of vehicles are on the road, I can see. But opposite side of the road there are a lot of vehicles because people are coming in Dhaka city. Oh, I'm near the bike mechanic shops. I'll turn left, then I'll go there. When I go to the ride sharing, every time I face different types of problems. But why, I don't know. Her hijab was like Arabic. That was not hijab, that was a burqa hijab combination. Oh, what is this? Are টান দাও না. That car driver is not expert. Oh, where is that shop? Where is that shop? Oh, I can't see the shop. I feel like the shop behind me. So I have to turn back. So I have to go back. Oh, the shop is closed. যাও. I should call him. Where is he? I have to sweep this. There are a lot of dirt here because I will keep my bag here. And the mechanic is fixing my bike's battery. It is not really he is fixing. I bought a new battery, then he's attaching here. I got my bike's battery fixed for 1650 taka. It was total cost, bike's battery cost plus servicing charge cost. Now it is working very well. It is a fuel pump. I use this route, but I don't get fuel because in my bike's tank there are a lot of fuel. Now I have to go opposite side of the road. I have to make a U-turn from here. Oh. After going this bus, I will make a U-turn. Okay. Finally, I have come. Now I'll try to get a trip from here. Oh, it is a sunny day, fully sunny day. Buses are a lot of buses here. Now I will wait here for my first trip request. Let's see how many time it will take to get my next trip request. Not next, it's my first.